Okay, good afternoon. Dave Langsather for ViolinResearch.com, and we're in the process of tuning the fingerboard. And this is part D, finding and correcting uneven areas. So we're going to try to move right along here. So we're going to start in the central area, and remember we tuned all this, but let's see how these sides out here are. So going from the acoustical center, see it's evenly down. Okay, I'm going to redraw our acoustical center lines. So we're going to start with the sandpaper. I think this is probably a number 100 or 150, kind of a cabinet sanding material. It's got a stiff back. So it's low down here, so we're going to take, starting at the acoustical center, not going over these lines, because that would affect our frequency in the ends. We're going to build this up, and we're going to do it by taking a little material off the inside, which will pull the tone up. So I'm just going to sand this little triangle here, pyramid, in the middle. And as I go down, I'll get a little bit lighter on the sanding pressure. Most here. Okay, do the same on this side too. All right. See, that won't affect the ends because we didn't touch the material in here. When you get out to the end here, it drops a little bit. So I'm going to work on material in that direction. Reestablish our acoustical centers. There's a little area right there that's too high on this line. So you want to be even. So it's in the middle here, it's a little bit low. So on this part, right in the middle about there, it's a little bit too high. Let's try the other side. And that's pretty good. Now we're going to check the end areas here, and again it's on from the acoustical center out. Here's a little low, so on that line, which means that on this line it'll be about the same proportion we find our high area. So right there is our high area. So I'll get my scraper out. Do the same thing. Here's a little bit of high spot. Even. Right in here there's a little bit that's right down there. So in a straight line down, sure enough there's a high spot. Just up of the mode 5 line. Okay, let's try the other direction. Good. Okay, so I think we've accomplished our goal of having the Go, tap frequencies everywhere. Here's a little hollow right there. So again, and it's here, it means it's going to be about there. Yep, there it is right there. Okay, we do that. And so when we finger the fingerboard, put on our notes, so all the notes will have the same power, the same focus. Okay? So that should be the end of part D, finding and correcting uneven areas. Thank you.